this product. It's really great. The one thing that is pretty annoying is that there's nothing that says off, so we had to pretty much figure out, exactly where to put it. Do you put it here? Is this off? Because there's nothing there. And why the 3 different dots? Because none of these turn anything on. So it's really confusing to know whether or not this equates to off and this is on at a simmer or slightly more than a simmer and then to the 1. But I believe that once you get about here, everything turns on. So it's still on, although there's no number. So it's a really terrible, awful job at making it pretty apparent where off is, which is why we've wisely put this sign up here at the office so that people obviously don't give us any chance of burning the place down. But there you have it.
Tú me hiciste una promesa, Daniel.
Mi amor, escucha, debes
Yo no
empacar.
sabía nada y tú te apartarías de esa vida.
Mi amor,
¿no,
lo
vida?
entiendo, mi amor, pero lo que necesito ahora es que empaques para ti y para Anthony. Debes quedarte con tu madre, ¿de
Ya
acuerdo?
no me digas qué hacer, no después de anoche. Pero escuches eso.
Escúcheme, perdón. Tengo problemas, amor. Tengo problemas. ¿Oíste? Por favor, no llores, Vanessa. Por favor, cielo. Por favor, amor, escucha.
No puedo pasar por eso.
No es nada que no pueda arreglar.
No quiero pasar por esto. No puedo ver que te envían a prisión.
No, mi amor.
There's no markings on these. You got these remaining dots, but that is off when it's can't go left. And as you can see, that's not off. That is. We're going to turn this right, and it'll click on. There you go. I'm going to turn this right to turn it on. And of course, as you see, it's already on. It's full blast. When you turn it off, it's full blast. So. Bad product. See how that light goes off when I turn it left?
As you can see, the Ovalene, or whatever, how you pronounce it, burner is actually working. It's great. Having some technical issues with my stove at the moment, and this is basically helping me get through this dry spell. And yes, it does work. The flame is purple, but it's actually red. Just the way my camera is going. But I love it. It's worth the money. Thanks, Amazon.
don't know what everybody else is saying, but mine comes to a boil very nicely. I will say this part does get super hot, so you definitely don't want to touch any of the metal. But yeah, it boils, and pretty consistently. So I'm happy, very, very happy with it.